If you cannot change date and time settings in iPhone manually, then let us see how to fix this issue. For example, if I go to settings here, if I go to general, date and time, you can see the time is set automatically and I can't change it. It is grayed out, that means it is disabled. So if you want to change it manually, then what you do is go to settings, scroll down and go to privacy, go to location services and make sure to turn off the location services and select turn off. Now the next thing what you need to do is go to settings again, scroll down and go to screen time, scroll down, select turn off screen time and then again select turn off screen time. Now the screen time is turned off. Now we will go to settings again, we will go to general and then we'll go to date and time again. Now you can see that this set automatically, you can enable or disable it. So if you disable it, you will be able to change the date and time manually. So this is what you will do if you cannot change date and time manually in iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.